Hello and welcome back to Aquarium Plant Index, the series where every week we spotlight an aquatic plant to help you get the best out of your aquarium. This week we're taking a closer look at the fast-growing and extremely beginner-friendly Limnophila Sessiliflora, a versatile stem plant that's perfect for low-tech tanks and those new to the hobby that are just getting into growing plants in their aquariums. Limnophila Sessiliflora is a popular fast-growing stem plant that's often recommended as an alternative to Cabomba, thanks to its similar feathery appearance, but its much easier care. It's a fantastic choice for beginners looking for a soft, textured background plant that will help with water quality and also fills out the tank quickly. This plant features fine, needle-like leaves arranged in a spiral pattern around the stem, creating a soft, fluffy look. Its bright green colour adds a fresh, vibrant feel to aquascapes, and they contrast nicely with darker or red-toned plants. Stems can grow anywhere between 30 and 60 centimetres tall, and the plant spreads quickly through side shoots. When grown in clusters, it creates a bushy, almost cloud-like effect that's especially striking in the background of planted tanks. Limnophila Sessiliflora is native to Southeast Asia, where it grows along riverbanks, marshes and shallow ponds. It's highly adaptable and often found in both submerged and immersed forms. In its natural habitat, it helps to stabilise sediment and provides cover for aquatic life. Limnophila Sessiliflora is a fast-growing and low-maintenance plant that adapts well to a wide range of conditions. It thrives in both low-tech and high-tech setups, but you'll see faster growth and denser foliage with moderate to high light and liquid fertilisation. It is especially useful in new tank setups because it absorbs excess nutrients and helps to prevent algae. Be aware though, it can grow very quickly, sometimes requiring weekly trimming in optimal conditions. Some aquarists, particularly those preparing for competitions, may use this plant as a temporary floating species during the initial stages of the layout, taking advantage of its ability to absorb excess nitrogenous compounds released by aquasoil. Use fine-tip aquascaping tweezers to plant individual stems or small bunches 2 to 4 centimetres apart. This gives each stem enough room to receive light and encourages bushier growth. You can plant deeper than with many stem plants as it roots easily and regrows quickly from cuttings. It's also a great plant for replanting the top cuttings to thicken out a group over time. Maintenance is relatively simple. Regular trimming helps shape the plant and prevent it from overcrowding the water's surface. Always trim just above a node to encourage side shoots. You can leave the base in place to regrow or replant trimmed tops to expand your cluster. It tolerates self-shading fairly well, but for the best look, thin out the denser sections to keep good light penetration. So a few tips for success with Limnophila Sessiliflora is firstly that it's just all around a great plant for beginners. It's very forgiving and it's extremely fast growing. You can use moderate to strong light for compact growth, but make sure to trim frequently to control height and promote bushiness. This plant helps control nutrients and algae in new tanks, and you can also replant the tops to quickly create dense clusters. Limnophila Sessiliflora is a classic aquarium plant that delivers soft texture, vibrant colour and easy care. So whether you're just starting out or looking to add movement and greenery into your aquascape, it's a solid background plant that won't disappoint. If you've enjoyed this episode, please be sure to like and subscribe so that you never miss an episode of Aquarium Plant Index. And if you've got a plant that you'd like us to cover, please leave it in the comments and we will do our best. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and we will see you next week for another episode of Aquarium Plant Index.